You can't win globally if you're invisible locally. Here's how to test your SEO foundations. My name is Dave Burnett, and I'm the founder of AOKmarketing.com, promotionalproducts.com, and Achievers.com, which sold back in 2015 for $110 million. Let's get to it. All right, let's start with the puddle in the Puddle Pond Lake Ocean analogy here. So what's the puddle? Your own street, your own area, your own city, your own town. Ask yourself, are you even ranking in the local 3-pack for your service plus your city? So if you're HVAC or air conditioning, be like air conditioning installer, Miami, right? Are you actually even ranking for that? If not, you should start there. Is your name, address, and phone number, so your NAP, consistent across Google, Yelp, Bing, and other niche or niche directories? Are your Google reviews recent, keyword optimized, and highly rated so that you can actually prove to the people in your area that you are who you say you are and you do what you say you do? The last one, do at least half of your last 10 customers say they found you on Google? So proof for this, we work with a local painting company and they achieved over 63,000 ad engagements and had a conversion rate of 10% plus by localizing their PPC efforts, localizing with Google Ads, and refining their landing pages by service and region. So it said where they were, called out to the people who were in that neighborhood, and also that they did this particular service, right? Like home painters, Toronto, right? Very easy. That's what they did. Now, moving out from the puddle to your pond. Now we're talking about stretching a little bit here to the region. Are you appearing for searches in nearby cities, zip codes, and suburbs? Are you ranking for near me type searches beyond your immediate area? And how do you tell? You use Google Search Console. Are impressions coming from surrounding regions? Basically, what you want to do is double check what's happening locally as well as regionally to make sure you've got your high intent searches. All right, now let's talk about the lake. So statewide or province-wide, depending on where you are. As you gain momentum, are you getting traffic, form fills, inquiries, phone calls, whatever it is that you're measuring from other parts of your state or province? Have you cloned your high-performing local pages and then customized them for other cities? Are you telling city-specific stories and using regional FAQs? For example, another customer we're working with, they are a digital customer that they have a content management system and they expanded their digital reach across North America. I mean, it's a bit larger. This is more of a broad approach, but as they were doing this, they went first from their city, then they went to their region using content and SEO that increased their visibility and added $3.6 million in revenue by expanding out to their region. So it might be worth it. Now let's talk about the ocean, attracting national and international audiences. This is when it's time to really scale. Do you appear in organic results for broad, non-local searches? If you have a particular service, so say air conditioner installer, right? Instead of air conditioner installer Miami, do you show up just for air conditioner installer? No matter where you are, not even just Florida, but all across the US. Might be something that's worth expanding on. Are you earning backlinks and mentions outside your region? Are you getting found in national type newspapers like the National Post or the New York Times? And are you getting inquiries or conversions from other states or even countries? That's something that you want to look at. So we were actually working with a company called Encyclopedia Britannica, competing against a giant called Wikipedia. You may have heard of one or the other. So they were using targeted SEO to move over 1,200 keywords from page 2 to page 1, which resulted in 178 million more page views per month. 178 million more. It's an amazing project to work on. Very grateful to be able to do that, but it was a lot of fun to try and move them from the lake to the ocean. So the truth test here. Now, here's how you know if your strategy isn't just noise. You start off and you check and you rank in Google Maps consistently for the searches that bring you in money. Most of your customers say, I found you on Google, and you've got city-specific landing pages for every major service area. Google Search Console shows that you've expanded from puddle to pond to lake to ocean. And then just ask your customers how they find you. And most say search, you're in luck. So here's the summary. Proof. From local contractors to global education platforms, brands that dominate locally before scaling consistently outperform their competitors. This is what we've seen across industries. The 4-stage audit gives you a clear map to uncover what's working, what's missing, and how to evolve your SEO from scattered to strategic. And here's your plan. If you're small, start small. Dominate your puddle, then move on to your pond, then own the lake, And eventually the ocean starts to look like something you could conquer, and it's a lot more profitable. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you found it valuable. And if you liked it, I'd love if you could share, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much for spending the time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.